plié is a bending your knee. And let's three important things. One is please turn out from your hip, not from toes. So you have to open it from here. And second thing, when you plié, make sure your knees and toes are going to the same direction, not this or this. Yes, this is twisting. So make sure to go in the same direction. Even your turn out is here, going this way. Yeah. And the third thing, when you bend your knee, there is always opposite energy going up. So it's pushing, but it's also energy is going up. Yes, opposite energy. And coming up, there is other opposite. You pushing the floor to come up. So it's not your puppet using muscle. Okay, so you just follow me. Let's start with the ballet piano music. So open from hip. Energy. Yes. Chest are open. One. Shoulder down. 6, 7. Let's go a little wider. Yes. 2 Good Plié. Little deeper. Yes. Arms up. So let's go to stretch your arm sideways.